Hello and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Eric Bosha. I am the product manager for low vision devices here at Humanware. In today's little tutorial, we'll go through all the options in the settings menu on the Reveal 16. So to go into the settings menu, I will press and hold the contrast button for approximately 5 seconds, and this will bring me to the settings menu. In this menu, I have several options. The first one is the lines and blinds. So I can go down the list by going clockwise. Counterclockwise on the zoom button will bring me up the list. So the first option in this menu I have is lines and blinds. So I can select that, but to select that, I will click on the orange button. And then right now it brings me to another menu which has lines and blinds. So again, I can go down the list going clockwise and going up the list going counterclockwise. So for example, if I select the line, again, I will click on the orange button, and a new option at the bottom of the list has been added, which is adjust. So if I scroll down to adjust and select that, I will be brought to a live mode session, and then I can change my line that is on the screen by going clockwise or counterclockwise with my zoom button. So once I'm satisfied to where my line is, I click on the orange button. So that's going to say this is where I want my line and bring me back to my settings menu. Now if I want to exit and try it out, I will use my contrast button to do my back button. So if I click, it's going to bring me back to my main menu. Click again, and I'm in live mode. So now I'm in live mode and I can use my line where I have set it and use it to do my stuff that I'd like to do. Now let's try the blinds. So again, I will click and hold the contrast button, select lines and blinds, and then I will go and select blinds. Same thing, I can go in the adjust option by clicking on the orange button, and then I can change the blinds that I have on the screen by going clockwise or counterclockwise with the zoom button. Once I am satisfied, I click on the orange button. And then if I try that, I'm going to hit the back button twice to go back into my live mode. So I'm in my live mode right now, and I can use my lines, my blind that I have set for myself. So there you have it. This is how you set the lines and blinds on the Reveal 16. Thank you for listening.